Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the Pulse News on 21st February newspaper front page dawn. Pakistan to get 5.6 million more doses by end of March. General healthcare workers, people above 60 years asked to get registered for vaccination. NCOC reports 1,340 new cases and 36 deaths. By Ikram Junaidi. Islamabad with 504,500 doses of COVID-19 vaccine having been dispatched to the federating units. Pakistan is expected to receive another 5.6 million vaccines by the end of March. Also, so far only 72,882 frontline healthcare workers have got themselves vaccinated in the country. The government has decided to start registering general health professionals too from Monday, February 22, for the vaccination program. The National Command and Operations Center (NCOC) on Saturday announced that general healthcare workers would register themselves on www.covid.government.pk/vaccine. Also, Special Assistant to the Prime Minister on Health, Dr. Faisal Sultan, announced the second phase of COVID vaccination. In a tweet, the Prime Minister the Prime Minister's aide said, "Park COVID-19 vaccination next phase. Now that we have expected arrival of Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine in early March, all those 60 years of age and older are now requested to begin registration. Send CNIC as SMS to 1166. You will receive a reply with instructions on next steps." The NCOC is a statement also announced the start of registration of citizens of over 60 years for the vaccine program with an appeal to senior citizens to text their national identity card numbers on 1166. According to the NCOC data, Pakistan will receive 5.6 million doses by the end of March, with 2.8 million doses of Gary COVAX expected in the first week of next month and another 2.8 million doses by the second week. In all, 17.1 million doses will reach Pakistan by the end of June. COVAX is an international alliance that has pledged to provide free vaccine to Pakistan's 20% population. So far, the NCOC data showed 204,000 doses have been dispatched to Sindh, 188,000 to Punjab, 44,000 to Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, 21,000 to Balochistan, 23,500 to Islamabad, 16,000 to Azad Jammu and Kashmir, and 8,000 doses of COVID-19 vaccine have been sent to Gilgit-Baltistan. However, the pandemic continued to claim lives across the country as 36 more deaths were reported in the past one day, while 1,340 new cases were confirmed. The number of active cases dropped to 24,081 and 2,050 of the patients were admitted to hospitals. Typhoid vaccination drive ends. Also, the second phase of typhoid vaccination campaign concluded in Islamabad capital territory and 12 districts of Punjab after inoculating 13 million children between the ages of 9 months and 15 years during the past 15 days. The government had engaged 6,975 skilled and trained vaccinators along with 6,975 assistants for the vaccination campaign. Besides a total of 13,950 social mobilizers visited various households to mobilize parents and caregivers to bring their children to vaccination centers. During the campaign, the expanded program on immunization (EPI) and Pakistan Polio Eradication Program (PEI) had synergized immunization efforts with the result that 4.3 million children were also immunized with polio drops. We are glad to have achieved the set target, Dr. Sultan said. The campaign signifies another achievement of the EPI and PEI teams, integrating and effectively utilizing available resources such as strengthen the immunization efforts across the country. The number of typhoid cases registered in the country and the emergence of extensively drug-resistant typhoid is an alarming situation. It can, however, be controlled through typhoid conjugate vaccine, which is a one-dose vaccine injected intramuscularly at a low cost. It is a new vaccine, and we are one of those lucky nations which have introduced it in the country to combat the deadly disease of typhoid and to provide better immunity to our children between the ages of 9 months and 15 years, the Prime Minister's AD said. Our health organization representative in Pakistan, Dr. Alita Mahipala, said, "We highly appreciate the efforts of the health workers, vaccinators, and the parents for all the support and cooperation in achieving the set target of the campaign." While lauding the efforts put in by the health workers, Director General for Health Islamabad, Rana Muhammad Sadr said, "We appreciate all our health workers and vaccinators who worked hard during the campaign days to achieve the set target." And in the end, the formal request, if you have not yet, please press the like and bell button to get the fresh from us. Thank you for watching. Have a nice time and goodbye.